DataVare OST to EMLX Converter Expert. Effortlessly convert OST files to EMLX with accuracy, control, and speed. Key features of DataVare OST to EMLX Converter Expert. Exclusive OST to EMLX conversion. Precisely convert OST files to the EMLX format with no compromise on data integrity. Selective file export. Utilize built-in filters to convert only the specific OST files you need. Custom conversion settings. Tailor the conversion process to suit your individual requirements with flexible options. Guaranteed accuracy. Ensure 100% data fidelity with complete folder structure and metadata preservation. How to convert OST to EMLX. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install the software. Download the application on your Windows PC and complete the installation. Launch the program via the desktop shortcut. Step 2. Add your OST file. Click Browse to locate and upload the OST file from your system. Note: the original folder hierarchy will remain intact during the conversion process. Step 3. Choose destination path. Select the output folder where the resulting EMLX files will be saved. Step 4. Start conversion. Click Convert Now to initiate the OST to EMLX conversion. The process will begin immediately and complete within moments, depending on file size. For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.